song about the traveling. It's one of my songs. It's called Howl at the Moon. Well, it's time to hit the road again. Howl at the moon in a different light. Who can say if I'm running away? You now